friends, welcome to another session on English grammar. Previously, we had discussed on the types of nouns and they are broadly classified into proper nouns and common nouns. We also spoke about possessive nouns. Taking this ahead, let's see a few more classification of nouns. If you can recollect, common nouns are names of non-specific persons, objects, places or ideas. So, can you guess the same in the given examples? Those flowers look beautiful. She gave me a book. Give me milk. She has long hair. Yes, flowers, book, milk, hair are all common nouns. Now looking at the first statement, if I ask you, is there only one flower or many flowers? Yes, there are many flowers. What about the number of books? It says a book, meaning there is only one book. But can you count the quantity of milk? Or for that matter, the amount of hair? No, right? So based on whether we can count or quantify something, nouns are classified as countable nouns and uncountable nouns. The ones that can be counted are further classified into singular, that is one, and plural, that is more than one. So now quickly recognize whether the given examples are countable or uncountable. That was quite simple. Of the two countable nouns, identify the singular and plural one. Yes, bricks indicate many in number, hence it is plural, whereas car is singular. So friends, take a look at the whole picture until now. You can pause the session. A singular noun can be converted to plural nouns, but there are certain rules that need to be followed. You need to show some patience as we will understand them in the upcoming sessions. Now moving ahead to the next type of nouns, let's see the following examples. She was known for her honesty. I cannot see her pain. Here, honesty and pain are common nouns. But can you hold them, physically touch it, or see or smell it? No, right? So those types of nouns which do not exist physically but is more of a quality, idea or an event are called abstract nouns. If we talk about examples like, where is the bottle? The bag is heavy. Here, the common nouns bottle and bag exist physically. We can see them, touch them, carry them with us. They are there for real. Such types of common nouns which exist physically are called as concrete or material nouns. We can touch them, see them and feel them. So based on whether common nouns exist in reality or only in our minds, classify them into abstract nouns and concrete nouns. This was pretty simple to identify. So that's it for today. Let's quickly summarize what we have learned so far. We have understood how common nouns are further classified into countable nouns and further divided into singular and plural. We also saw uncountable nouns. Then we saw the abstract nouns and then concrete nouns. We will understand the further classification or types of nouns in our upcoming session. Friends, before you leave, do check out our online courses on our website www.letstu.com. I hope you enjoyed this session and liked the session. Do come back to catch up on the remaining types of nouns. So go ahead and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload any new videos. Until next time, keep watching, keep learning, and thanks for watching.